As the year 2023 winds to an end and we head over to 2024, let's know that the world of food content creation has changed. I take a lot of time, take and retake clips in order to find the good 1 second clip to put out. But with AI, it's not going to be like that. It is going to be a lot more easier. I have some images and short videos I've been able to get off the AI world. Here I have my Thanksgiving dinner. If you look critically, you will find out that it is still a work in progress. Here are some chefs. In the future, these chefs are going to tell us exactly what they are doing. Right now, if you look critically or carefully, you'll find out that these images are not yet complete. By this I mean they are not properly developed, like they have defects like their hands. Look at this beautiful Italian grandma. She looks so great and amazing. In the future, I hope to hear her tell me exactly what she is cooking. You have this older man. He is also cooking, and I believe he's making something that looks like pizza. Well, in the future, he should be able to tell us. Food content creation is one of the niches that people or viewers think is quite easy. If you're someone who tries to look good or look perfect with what you're doing, you agree with me that food content creation takes time. That includes opening a pot. Guys, I can tell you that sometimes even the pot you see people open, they must have taken that for like 6 times or 5 times to get that perfect pot opening scene you see. So we have this food critic. They are looking keenly, and guys, I do really hope to see a time where these people, did I call them people, or these robots will take over the world of food content creation, while we'll sit back and enjoy whatever content they put out. I really look forward to that time. So this grandma is cooking, and you have this young lady in an African village. Yeah, I believe this is an African village. So beautiful, the clay pots, and also this lady in her traditional kitchen cooking. I really hope to hear and know what she's cooking. And you also have this food content creator. If you look keenly and observe her, you know that she is not so perfect at the moment. She has some defects. I have this Arabian young lady who is cooking as well. The future is looking very easy for food content creators. I have some vloggers here. They're all vloggers heading into the restaurant to go eat and also critique. And you have a group of friends who gathered for their friend's gig to celebrate with her. Most people are looking forward to this era of food content creation. Right now, we're heading into 2024. And I believe by the year 2030, these digital images are gonna be set, and then we'll have to sit back and watch as AI takes over the food content creation space. By that time, the food content creators will have to juggle between who is AI and who is a real human. For now, these images are still undergoing some works or some developments to get them enhanced, because they still have some defects. But until then, I'll keep retaking my own clips till I get the perfect 1 second for my shorts and long videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please do subscribe.